Hi, my name is Will from Edwards Sound Systems, and I'd like to introduce you to our range of portable sound systems. Now, each of the units you see on this table are battery powered and can give you up to 10 hours of continuous use. Now, we'd be sure to find a suitable solution for your specific needs, ranging from a 480 watt system outside on a sports field down to a little 10 watt system for smaller gatherings. I would like to show you the Challenger. It's the second largest unit in our portable range. It's a 150 watt speaker system, completely battery powered, completely portable. Like all of our portable systems, the Challenger is also modular, which means you can slot in different modules depending on what you're going to need. This is a microphone receiver module. It comes with the Challenger. When you buy it, you can add 3 more, so you can have 4 wireless microphones going at the same time, or you can swap one of them out for a repeater, which means you can connect to a slave speaker, which is also a Challenger, without the bells and whistles, only with an amplifier and a battery. So you can connect to that slave speaker up to 80 meters apart on a sports field and cover your whole field. As you can see, this unit is perfect for a space like this outside, and you need to cover a huge area. Also, I'm standing right at the back here. You can hear the delay of the speaker. It's quite far, but it's still working. It still covers this whole field, even though there's a lawnmower going on there at full speed. There's also a slot for a CD player. If you still have the need to play CDs when you are out and about, you can slot in a CD player there. That's also optional. Below that is the media player, which has got a Bluetooth player with it and a USB recorder and player, so you can record your whole session, whatever you want to do. Additionally to that, we've got our regular inputs like a microphone input, line inputs with RCA connectors that are covered with dust covers. We've got voice priority, which means if that is engaged, you've got music playing. The moment you start speaking through the microphone, the music cuts out. The moment you turn the microphone off, music fades back in. There's also an active line out to connect to another powered speaker like the slave speaker if you don't want to use the wireless function. You have got your 2-band EQ, bass and treble, and also your master volume. Like the Apex Pro, it's also got little wheels and an extendable trolley arm, so you don't have to carry the speaker everywhere you go. This handy weather cover can protect your unit against light rain or dust, and has got these handy side pockets to put your microphones in or your charging unit.